SVIZONA Industrial Solutions is a leading provider of comprehensive plumbing, drainage, and water treatment solutions. We specialize in designing, installing, and maintaining a wide range of systems to meet the specific needs of industrial, commercial, and residential clients. Our services include plumbing, drainage, and sanitary systems. From the initial design to final installation, we offer expert solutions for all your plumbing needs, ensuring efficient water flow and waste management. Pump and tank installation. We install high-quality pumps and tanks of various sizes and capacities to meet your specific water storage and pumping requirements. Complete piping works. Our skilled technicians handle all aspects of piping installation, ensuring seamless connections and optimal performance. Sanitary wares. Fixing. We provide professional installation and repair services for a wide range of sanitary fixtures, including toilets, sinks, and showers. Sewage treatment plants. We design and install advanced sewage treatment plants to help you comply with environmental regulations and protect public health. Water treatment plants. Our water treatment solutions help remove impurities and contaminants from your water supply, ensuring safe and clean drinking water. Potable water booster systems. We provide reliable booster systems to increase water pressure and ensure adequate supply to your premises. Testing and commissioning. Our team conducts thorough testing and commissioning to ensure that all systems are functioning properly before handover. Massive tank supply and installation. We offer a wide range of water storage tanks, including GRP hot press molded sectional panel tanks, to meet your large-scale water storage needs. Why choose SVIZONA Industrial Solutions? Expertise and experience. Our team of experienced professionals has a proven track record of delivering high-quality plumbing and water treatment solutions. Customized solutions. We tailor our services to meet your specific requirements and budget. Quality materials. We use only the highest quality materials and equipment to ensure the durability and reliability of our installations. Excellent customer service. We are committed to providing exceptional customer service and support. Contact us today to discuss your plumbing and water treatment needs.